At Platinum Physio, we are passionate about the benefits of hydrotherapy. For over 30 years, we have pioneered manual physiotherapy treatments in the pool, combined with progressive rehabilitation, fitness and pain management programs, transforming the lives of thousands of patients. Our unique hydrotherapy approach follows the latest and best evidence. By combining hands-on techniques with individualised supervised hydrotherapy exercise, we progress our patients while immersing them in active pain education in this safe and warm water environment. The results have been truly remarkable and continue to help our patients achieve their health and fitness goals. Our hydrotherapy treatments for the lumbar spine combine facilitation and mobilising techniques with the warmth and buoyancy of the water. Supported by floats, we can treat the neck and cervical headaches in a supine position, which many patients find more comfortable than on the treatment bed. Seaweeding is a relaxation technique and can be helpful for managing pain. For those having difficulty lifting their arms above their shoulder against gravity, we use the buoyancy of the water to start the arm moving and use this PNF technique from Badrigaz to retrain shoulder coupling patterns. For those recovering from a hip or knee replacement or trying to avoid surgery, our expert physiotherapists provide a range of facilitation techniques and exercises to increase range of motion and manage pain. From the earliest stages of rehabilitation, the warmth and comfort of our hydrotherapy pool is excellent for unloading joints while exercising safely. Progressing with a focus on improving functional outcomes sooner, we work at building strength, dynamic stability and conditioning. We offer one-on-one care, smaller or larger groups and self-management programs. For an outstanding rehabilitation journey and for effective active physiotherapy management of acute, complex and chronic conditions, consider our expert hydrotherapy to help you or your patients stay active and healthy, to live the life they love.